Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dynasty, and I'm back again with another video. As you can see, I'm just running my fingers through the hair. This hair was sent to me by a beautiful company called Afsister hair wigs. They sent me this beautiful 12-inch bob wig. This was a 13x6 lace frontal, and it was a fake scalp. As you can see, I'm going to show you now the styling process of how I'm going to style this hair. So stay tuned for this look and hope you guys enjoy this video. This hair will be styled in a pigtail kind of look. I'm going to have 2 pigtails in the front of the hair and leave out 2 strands, but I'm going to let you guys see exactly what I'm going to do. This is going to be the full process of doing that. I will speed up this section of the video so it's not too long, but yeah.
This shit crazy.
So guys, this wig did come pre-plucked, and it also came bleached as well. As you can see, the roots look phenomenal. I actually love it. But yeah, as you can see, I am literally just parting the hair. Make sure the parting is correct on both sides before I then continue with the sleeking process, using my wax stick and my hot comb to sleek down any flyaways and make sure the hair is flat completely. So yeah, this is the fake scalp that I received. The fake scalp is all around the lace. I'm just showing you how that is. The fake scalp actually did really work well with this hair, and I'm just going to show you how I now attach the bands together so I can make the wig tighter for me. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to put the wig on my head to show you how it looks, and I'm going to start the installing process and the finishing of the styling. I feel like this hair, like the fake scalp on this hair, is very good because it's more smooth, it's comfortable, it's breathable, and it's actually very long lasting. It also helps hide the knots if you don't decide to bleach your knots. Also, the hair can be worn glueless if you proceed to. I personally wanted to glue the hair for my own sake. It can be secured without glue or without got to be. It's just your choice as well. Like I said before, this is a 13x6 frontal. It's 6 inches deep to the back, and it's very good to me. The texture of this hair was straight, as you can see. I just decided to straighten it even more just to complete the look. This wig has 2 levels and 1 fake scalp and 1 diamond lace. They sent me this hair and I absolutely adore it. I am going to style it in 2 pigtails and I'm gonna go in and wrap the pigtail around to kind of have like 2 top knots, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's very comfortable. I do sleep with my wigs on. If you want to, that's up to you. I personally do. Yeah, I'll get more in detail later on in the video, but yeah, keep watching and I'm gonna show you how I complete this look and the complete installation. This wig did also come with an adjustable band, which I showed you previously, and also a removable elastic band strap that they also sent me, and removable combs if you choose to remove it. Some people might find it very annoying when they put it on their head, so in this case I didn't remove it because it doesn't annoy me, it's fine. But yeah, this hair, it was very sleek and straight. I loved it so much, and I'm just gonna stop talking and just you guys see how I install this hair.
Yeah, boy, this shit crazy.
As you can see, this hair straightened very well. It also came already sleek straight, but I just decided to straighten it even more. I'm straightening the top parts because I'm going to wrap them around, and I want them to be completely sleek, no flyaways, that kind of thing. As you can see, I'm now going to wrap it around like a bantu knot, and I'm going to then use got2b spray to hold that in place.
Yeah, boy, this shit crazy.
This is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing it. This hair was a very easy to work with, very beautiful. Yeah, comment down below what you want me to do next time, and also I will leave the details of the company in the description bar below. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and join the gang, join the dynasty gang, period. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for continuing to support me. But yeah, peace.